tell me I cannot get out of my car. You're not my boss, you're not my daddy. You don't give a fuck. I don't want to go to the ground. What are you doing?
On March 8th, 2023, a plate check in Orange County, Florida, triggered a suspended license stop that escalated into 2 felony charges. This is a legal and tactical analysis.
Stop. How you doing? License and registration, please.
245 Robin, copy of verbal altitude.
As soon as I get your license, I'll be glad to tell you.
Good. 1549 Robertson.
Thank you, ma'am. Jasmine, the reason why I'm stopping you is because I run the plate. Your license actually comes back suspended and you have a seize tag order in reference to your car insurance. Yeah. Oh, I mean, you do.
No, I went to the courthouse yesterday.
Uh-huh.
Made payment.
Right, you made the payment, but you didn't take care of everything else.
How do you know?
Because it says in my record.
I just did it yesterday. Maybe you didn't update me. If you didn't say I couldn't drive.
Okay, well, I'm telling you, you can't drive. Your license is suspended.
It's not. If I went to the courthouse, I
Okay.
made payment.
Jasmine, when's the last time you had a ticket?
I haven't been pulled over. You're the first one to pull me over in months.
So you've never had a ticket before?
No, only red light camera tickets.
Red light cameras? Okay. Has your license ever been suspended before?
No.
No? Okay. And the address here, is this correct?
Yeah.
Well, which one? The one on your license here or the Conway Road?
The one on my license.
The one on your license? Okay. Because they don't forward DL information, that's why. How long has it been since you lived in Conway?
Only a couple months.
A couple months? Okay, so you just moved back here? Okay. And what do you have there? You were trying to show me something else. What's this?
This is the paper. I did that to court.
Okay, this shows you live in Kissimmee. The paperwork that you filled out yesterday. I'm sorry? Well, because you have to have the correct address on your license. That's a civil infraction.
No, that's the correct address.
The Kissimmee one?
The one on my ID.
Okay, well, why would you write incorrect information?
I didn't write incorrect information. I'm just trying to say
Okay. I'll be right back.
A database return showing a suspended license constitutes Fourth Amendment probable cause for a lawful stop. Florida Statute Section 322.34 prohibits driving on a suspended license regardless of the driver's belief otherwise. Administrative processing lag is not a legal defense. Florida Statute Section 320.0607 mandates tag seizure when insurance requirements are unmet. With 4 active suspensions on record, the impound was not discretionary.
Have a seat at your car. Have a seat in your car when I'm done. Ma'am, I don't care. You have to have a seat in the car. Okay, listen to me. You don't have the right to get out.
I have the right to do whatever I want. If I can get out of my car, I can get out of my car. You cannot tell me I cannot get out of my car.
Yes, I can.
How can you not? You're not my boss. You're not my daddy. You don't do
There's a
shit for me.
Supreme Court ruling that says you need to get back in your car. Now get back in your car.
Let me see the paper.
Google it. Get back in your car.
I'm not Googling nothing.
Okay. Ma'am, you're losing your car today. I'm impounding the car.
How are
I'm
you
taking your
impounding my
license
car?
and I'm taking your tag.
How are you impounding
So if you
my
want to
car?
call somebody to come get you, that's the best thing.
I can't. I'm here
Okay.
by myself. And
Well,
I have to go
I
get my
apologize. Your license is suspended 4 times. You have an FR suspension.
No, I just went
and
to
you
the
have not
courthouse
cleared
yesterday.
everything.
I showed you the
Everything
paper.
is not cleared up.
What do you mean? Then why
I'm
didn't
telling
she
you.
tell me that? I asked her if there any other problems. She didn't say nothing.
Well, I'm telling you what there is.
Okay,
I will
but
give
you
you all
can't
the
impound
court
my
tickets.
car.
I will give you all the information. Your car is getting impounded.
What do you mean by that?
It's going to go to the record yard. It's going to go to police impound until you get a valid license. Till you physically go down to the DL office and reinstate your license.
Why can't I just
you
take
owe
it to
money
my house?
because you're not allowed to drive.
I've been
I
paying
cannot
monthly
let
on
you
it.
get in a car and drive
No,
again.
I went to the courthouse
Okay.
and she said there's no problem.
I'm just telling you what's going on.
That's not fair.
Well, you can take it up with the clerk.
I was just there yesterday.
Okay. Hey, Ron, come on over. Ma'am, I can't help it if she doesn't do her job.
Yes, you can.
I can't help that.
And I told you to pay everything. How are you going to take my car? Do you not understand what I'm telling you?
Ma'am.
I have 2 kids. I take care
Go stand by your car.
And then you're gonna fucking tell me
Go stand by your car. Go stand by your car.
Yesterday I paid over $200
Ma'am,
to the fucking car.
you're this close to going to jail.
Don't give a fuck.
Okay.
You're trying to take my
You're this close to go to jail. Go have a seat by your car.
Pennsylvania versus Mimms. 1977 grants officers full scene control during any lawful stop. A driver may be ordered to exit or remain in the vehicle. Compliance is not optional. Exiting without permission is a Mimms violation. Disputing a stop at the roadside prolongs it. It does not end it. Departing? While the stop remained active, triggered Florida Statute Section 316.1935, fleeing and eluding. The statute requires only willful departure from an active stop. Duration of flight is irrelevant. 1 block or 10 miles, the statutory elements are identical. This is a third-degree felony. Subjective belief that the stop had concluded is no defense.
Get out of the car now!
What is
Get out of the car! Turn around, put your hands on the back.
What is your problem?
Get out of the car.
What is your problem? What is your problem?
Relax, relax.
You're hurting me. You're
Relax.
hurting me. Get off of me.
Relax.
You're hurting me. Get off of me. Get
That hand.
Get off of me. Get off of me. I'm gonna get my fucking kids. You asshole. Get off of me. Don't you do it. Get off of me.
Go to the ground.
No, I don't want to go to the ground. Get off of me. I have to go get my fucking kids. No, you are not putting these on me. What are you doing?
Roll over. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Get off of me, please! I'm only 130 pounds!
Stand up.
My arm!
Stand up.
Get into my hand!
Stand up.
You fucking asshole! What the fuck? Oh my god, what did I get my kids? What is wrong with you? Look at my hand! I didn't do nothing to you! What the fuck?
Hey, you can't take off on a traffic stop.
Take off!
Get in, it's all on video. Get in.
I was at the wall.
Get in.
You're such a dick. I don't...
County 249. Show it the black female 1015. And John resume normal.
249. One time.
You guys okay?
Yeah,
All right.
thank you.
Yes, sir. Be careful.
Need 3 units.
You got it. Count.
Negative. All units can cancel. We appreciate it. Thank you.
Time for a unit to finally kick in.
Huh?
245.
I got one.
You want some of those lights?
Yeah.
I'm calling him back. I'm not calling.
You take these handcuffs.
Nope, you're going to jail, ma'am.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Well, unfortunately, when you fled from the stop, you did something wrong. When you didn't listen, you did something wrong.
I was
So
going
now,
to the
and then
ground. I was
when you
just
punched
there.
me, when you punched me on the ground, yep, you swung and hit me.
I did not.
Now it's battery, Leo.
That's a lie.
It's all on
I
video.
don't even know how to throw a punch.
Okay, it's all on
I
video.
don't know how to throw a punch.
Ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, it's all on video.
lie.
You all right?
There you go.
Yep. You want to?
I'm towards the car.
Am I able to call my mom?
No. You can call your mom after you get booked into the jail.
24 Alpha. At where?
Why would I arrest you?
Yeah.
Because you ran from the traffic stop.
I didn't run from the traffic stop. I was at the red light, the light turned green. You
Ma'am.
over at the Wells Fargo.
Ma'am.
I got out the car.
Ma'am.
I took punches because I was at the courthouse.
Did you not just drive off?
Yesterday.
Did you not just drive off?
No, yes,
Yeah,
because I'm
okay.
going to the courthouse. Why can't I go? I want
Because with the traffic stop wasn't done, and I told you that.
Yeah, but I need to go to the courthouse.
It doesn't matter. You don't have the right to leave. You don't have the right to leave.
In reference to Schedule 30.
Well, I don't need to understand.
And they tell you you're fine to go. Why would you tell me I'm fine to go so I can get arrested? That
Huh?
makes sense.
I don't know. That's between you and them. Well,
I didn't do that.
unfortunately, you'll go to jail today.
She lied.
Unfortunately, you go to jail today. You'll get booked in.
Okay, so when are you taking me there?
When I'm ready. It's my time. I will get done and we will head that way.
You're so inconsiderate. You hurt me. I'm bleeding. You hurt both of my legs. And you say I punched you. I can't even throw a punch. I've never even fought like that before. What are you talking about? You got complete control. You're trying to tell me a 130-pound girl was being threw a punch where both her hands behind her back? That's
You're
a
right.
lie.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
No, we're not.
Just one on a traffic stop. And she didn't believe her stuff was suspended.
No,
and
I believe you.
then she decided to jump when her car was getting ready to get impounded. She jumped in the car and took off.
Oh, that's right.
So Ron was able to get here, I was able to get there, and then, of course, she wanted to fight and not go to jail.
I did not fight. I don't know how to fight. I'm only 130 pounds. I'm small. How can I fight?
So it was a good day, I guess.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Nobody got hurt. No one's.
I'm hurt.
So.
I'm f***ing hurt. I'm bleeding and my head is hurting.
If the caregiver is there in FDS 51, we can respond to
How are you?
two people.
Been a while, man.
And if it's a
Can I
DNR,
leave, please?
Nope. You can't leave. We're going to the jail.
Then let's go. What are you waiting for?
We gotta wait on the tow truck and
everything.
I still got to stuff.
Physical resistance during arrest triggered Section 843.01. Resisting an officer with violence, a separate felony. The disputed battery allegation is the critical, unresolved question. Section 843.01 requires proof of an overt act of violence. Without video corroboration, the charge is legally unsustainable. Under Graham v. Connor, 1989, force is assessed by objective reasonableness at the moment applied. Post-flight, post-resistance. The ground takedown falls within hard, empty-hand control. No intermediate weapons were deployed. The continuum was not exceeded. Atwater versus City of Lago, Vista. 2001 confirmed custodial arrest is constitutional even for minor traffic violations. Probable cause existed here for 3 independent offenses. Constitutional compliance confirmed on all 3 counts.
Your knee and my leg. How much do you weigh compared to how much I weigh? Doesn't make any sense. Now you can say I throw a punch? For what? To make you feel better? I did not throw no punch. How can I throw a punch? Why don't we go to the courthouse to find out why this lady lied to me? Because she knew I would get in this predicament. This doesn't make any sense. I did my part, went to the courthouse to find out what's going on with my leg. And she lied to me, so my car can get impounded. I cannot afford to get that out. I have to take care of my kids. And this is wasting my time and my kids' time for no reason. And then you're gonna tell somebody, oh, are you okay? What has happened to you? You gotta go home, open up a cold beer, right? Who's gonna feed my fucking kids? Who's gonna put my fucking kids to bed? They're gonna wonder where their mother is. But she went to pay her money to the courthouse when they want to go to Disney and I can't even fucking take them because I have to work. To pay these tickets from these red light cameras because I'm trying to go to work. And then you're gonna throw me on the fucking ground and then say throw a fucking punch. The fuck? Then what? If I get fucked, how do I even get out? Like what the fuck is this shit? Doesn't make any sense. You see because you drove up. Yeah, to find out why the lady and the girl's life. I was just there and paid a lot of money that I don't have.
The officer receives a B, lawful stop, mandated impound, sound backup call, proportionate force. Grade reduced the battery allegation, requires video corroboration before it can be charged. An unsubstantiated felony exposes the department to Section 1, 983, civil liability. The subject receives a C+. Initial compliance was appropriate. However, exiting the vehicle, departing the scene, and resisting arrest, each carried independent felony exposure, and each was avoidable. 3 lessons. First, a courthouse payment does not equal reinstatement. Obtain written confirmation from the FLHSMV before driving after any suspension. Second, during a lawful stop, you have the right to remain silent, not to depart. The courthouse is the correct venue to challenge authority. Third battery allegations must be supported by video. An unsubstantiated charge undermines the case and the department. The camera was rolling throughout this entire encounter. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching.